Oh, David, wake up. It is 7 o'clock. Time to get up.
Just 5 more minutes, please.
No, sleepyhead. You said that 5 minutes ago. Come on.
I am so tired. I slept late last night.
I know you were working on your laptop. But look, I made your coffee.
Really? You made coffee for me? You are the best.
Yes, it is hot and ready on the table.
Okay. I'm getting up now. Slowly.
That's my husband. A new day is starting. We can do it together. Breakfast is ready. Come and sit down.
Something smells amazing. What did you make?
Scrambled eggs and toast. And of course, hot coffee.
Perfect. You know I love coffee in the morning.
Here you go. Careful, it's hot.
Thank you. The eggs taste great.
Do you want some fruit, too? Apple or orange?
Just a few slices of apple, please.
Okay, I will have some too. Let's eat together.
Yes, eating with you makes the morning better.
Do you have your keys and your wallet?
Yes, I have them. Don't worry.
Good. It will be cold later. Take your jacket.
Oh, you were right. I almost forgot. Thank you.
Do you need anything from the store after work?
Maybe just some milk and bread.
Okay, I will text you if we need more.
Perfect. I'll buy them before I come home.
Drive safe, David.
I will. See you tonight.
Hello, love. How is your day?
Hi. Busy, but okay. I just finished my meeting.
Oh, good. Did you have lunch already?
Yes, I had a sandwich. What about you?
I made a salad, light and fresh.
Sounds nice. I wish I could eat with you.
Me too, but tonight we will eat together.
Yes, I'm looking forward to it.
Don't work too hard. Take a short break.
I will. Thank you for calling. It makes me happy.
Always. Talk to you later. Welcome home. You look tired.
Oh, yes. It was a long day. My feet hurt.
Sit down and rest. I made your favorite dinner.
Really? What is it?
Rice and chicken with some vegetables.
Wow, that's perfect. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Do you want to eat now?
Yes, please. I'm very hungry.
All right. Let's eat together.
The food is delicious. I'm lucky to have you.
Dinner was so good. Now let's relax.
Yes, please. What do you want to watch?
Maybe a funny show. Something easy.
Good idea. Oh, I already made some popcorn.
Wow, perfect. You always think of everything.
Here, take some. The show is starting.
Look at that silly character. So funny.
Yes, I laughed a lot. This was a good choice.
Now I feel sleepy. What about you?
Me too. Maybe it's time for bed soon.
I am so tired. Today felt very long.
Yes, but it was a good day. I enjoyed dinner and the show.
Me too. Thank you for helping and working so hard.
And thank you for cooking and taking care of me.
Come on, time to sleep now. Good night.
Good night. Sleep well.
Today was special because I was with you.
Ah, that's sweet. I feel the same.
Let's rest and make tomorrow another good day.
Yes, I love you.